basic AutoCAD for 21st century learners tutorials. The following videos are open to anyone at any level, maybe CAD enthusiasts, would-be CAD operators, or even novice users. You may use this as your guide in discovering or exploring AutoCAD as software as tool in developing your CAD projects. Introduction to CAD and AutoCAD software, some of the basic draw commands, as well as modify commands are comprehensively discussed in the presentation. You can play and pause the videos to furtherly understand the lesson. And don't forget to perform the tasks relevant to the lessons which will be shown after every video tutorial. This would be supplementary activities in enhancing and mastering your skills. Parts of this lesson 3 of the tutorials, it show how modify commands be used in accomplishing your CAD projects. These commands used in modifying or editing drawings. Move, copy, erase, trim and extend or stretch, offset, and mirror commands were some of the commands presented in this section. Sometimes we create elements or parts of the drawing that are not in proper place because we're creating first all parts of the drawing before presenting the wholeness of the drawing. So in this video, I will be introducing to you the move command to be used in positioning the parts or even the whole drawing on its exact location. Move command used to relocate or displace selected objects. Ang pan command ay ginagamit upang i-move ang drawing space kasama ang lahat ng drawings. Pero kung gusto nating i-move ang object o parte ng drawing, we will use the move command. Sa paggamit ng command na ito, maaaring puntahan ang home tab at hanapin ang modify panel. Hanapin at i-click ang move icon to activate the command o maaaring i-press ang M bilang shortcut key nito. O kung di naman ay i-type ang M, O, V, E letters gamit ang inyong keyboard, then press enter or space bar. Select the objects to be moved through left clicking. Pagkatapos, sinasabi sa command window na kailangan natin i-specify ang base point. Pwedeng sa parte ng object o maaari ring sa labas o kahit saang parte ng inyong drawing space. In this case, gusto kong gamitin bilang base point ay ang sentro ng bilog na ito. Sa halimbawang ito, kaagad na lumabas ang sentro. Sapagkat ang object snap ay na-activate na, subalit kung ito ay hindi lumabas at gusto nyong gamitin, just press Shift key plus right click to see the object snaps. Then, select center. Pick the center of the circle or at any point of your drawing. Try to move your drawing at any location. But if you wish to move the object at exact location at the coordinate plane, then use the absolute values by typing it. Say for example, do the same process, type M as the shortcut key, select the object, and again, pick the center as the base point. Move the object to the second point by typing the absolute values, 15 as the X value and 20 as the Y value. Then press enter or space bar. The object was moved at exact location. You can also apply direct distance entry in moving your objects. Now, let's try to move the object using other object as the reference for movement. You can move it to the midpoint, endpoint, or intersection of two lines. Gawin ulit natin ang dating proseso. Type M and enter using enter or spacebar key. Select the object, then pick the base point using the center of the circle. As to the second point, gamitin natin ang ibang object. Sa ganitong halimbawa, we will move the object sa gitna ng linya. Again, press Shift key plus the right button of the mouse, then pick midpoint in the object snaps. Then click the midpoint or part of the line. Gawin ulit natin gamit ang dating proseso. Look for the center as the base point, then move the object to the other corner of the object using endpoint or intersection. Let's create a line from this upper right corner to the lower left corner. Then move the object to the center of the created diagonal line using same process. Tanggalin ang linyang ito para makita ang final drawing. So that's how we use move command to relocate or displace objects. Mga importanteng kailangan, I-consider in moving, una, select the particular objects to be moved, then determine the base point as well as the second point for movement. That's how easy to use move command to change the location of your drawing. Take note that if you want to move the drawing space, then use pan command instead of move command.